Well, good morning, everyone. Mayor Steve Wilder here from the city of North Canton. I hope everyone is doing well today. It is Thursday, May 27th. And sorry I had to postpone it from Wednesday to Thursday, but I had a seminar to attend. And so here we are. I guess the best news is for our senior class. Today is the last student day for our North Canton City schools. And the senior graduation is tonight. It was a rain date today, so at 7 p.m. at Memorial Stadium at Don Hertler Field, our seniors will be graduating. And I just want to congratulate the senior class of 2021. They for making it through a most interesting and remarkable and challenging school year. You know, I know you're all a collection of many talents and skills and experiences, and hopefully those will lead you to what you will be able to accomplish in the future. And just remember that success is a vision, and picturing yourself where you want to be. So folks, kids, young men and women, figure out the steps you want to take to get there, and complete them one at a time. And I'm sure you'll be just fine as you go forward with your life. So again, congratulations for our 2021 senior class graduating from Hoover High School. Get into some figures on our COVID. Some cases. This is from the as of May 24th for the state of Ohio. They've had 1,097,866 total reported cases. They have 58,678 hospitalizations. ICU admissions were 8,062, and unfortunately, we've had 19,709 deaths in the state of Ohio. And the good news is the COVID case rate, May 10th through May the 23rd, is 89.8 per 100,000 population. So we might be getting closer to that 50 per 100,000 that Governor DeWine is hoping for. For our Stark County Health Department, I'll give you a quick update from my phone calls on Tuesdays. The countywide, there's been 62,000 doses administered. And right now, the Stark County Health Department has 1,032 open appointments. So you can call them and schedule an appointment. There's also open appointments in Alliance, Massillon, and Canton with their health departments. The Stark County Health Department, though, is going to only be going on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays starting in June, and those clinics will be available. The neat thing, too, is they have they're going to do a roaming via mobile clinic, and they're going to partner with McDonald's and SARTA. So you're going to have to contact the health department, Stark County, to find out what their schedule is, and they will administer a dose or vaccination to you at neighboring or partnering McDonald's here in Stark County. Oh, let's see. For Stark County, let's see. We are still at a red level. Unfortunately, we have indicators 1, 3, and 6. Mostly that 6th one, I think, is hospital admissions, and so that's the issue there. We have touched 162,996 of our population available for virus vaccinations, and that's about 41.28% in our Stark County. For the Altman Health Group, they had 13 patients as of Tuesday, 3 from Alliance, 10 in Canton. They had 3 in ICU, 2 on ventilators, and they had 2 positive cases come in over the last 24 hours, and that was as of Tuesday. Unfortunately, they have 5 to 6 employees out with COVID-like symptoms, and they're still operating 4 locations for the Altman Health Group, and they're also starting to work with churches, and I think that was in the newspaper just this week. So you can still contact Altman Helpline, and they're partnering with some area churches, about 6 to 8, to help get vaccinations out into the community. And for the Cleveland Clinic, Mercy Health Center, our hospital. Right now, they just have 17 patients. They received 3 patients within the last 24 hours, and that's all I have from them. For Stark County, again, we're at 32,952 cases. We've had, this was as of May the 24th. Our hospitalizations were 1,933. Unfortunately, we've had 914 deaths, and our presumed recovered rate, our numbers are 31,106. Just want to share that with you. Well, folks, just want to let you know, I'm going to go through a list of things that we are opening for the city, and good news for the summer. So bear with me. I'm going to go through the list here. Our city council's approved in-person meetings, which will start Monday, June the 7th, 2021 at 7 p.m. and we'll be back down at the Civic Center. City Hall, though, we're going to reopen it on June the 2nd, only for engineering, permits, and building and inspections. For walk-in receptions, you can meet at the counter there. For our contractors, or if you have blueprints, or you need solicitation permits, or permits to put up a fence or an awning or something else in your yard, the counter will be open and City Hall will reopen for that. We're not allowing, though, City Hall access to the city administration, the clerk of council office, finance, or utilities until we're done with our renovations. We are doing some renovations up here, and we need to keep that area safe and free from our visitors. However, if you want to make an appointment, you can call any one of those offices, and we'll make our best effort to make an appointment with you, and we can meet with you. So also for our council clerk's office, city council office, clerk of council, all right, they're still open for people, for those who are applying for employment examinations for police, fire departments, and that goes for entry, dispatching, and firefighters. So we are still accepting those, and you can come in and upstairs, and we'll take those applications for you. Okay, Dogwood Pool opens May the 29th, and it runs through the 22nd. So if you're looking for passes, please contact the North Canton YMCA. I'll give you that phone number just a little later. So it's going to go through, open the 29th of May, and it'll go through the 22nd, and then also on the 28th and 29th of August it'll be open, and we're going to have it open on Labor Day, September 4th through the 6th. Now, our city parks and pavilions and Dogwood Shelter, they're booking fast. The softball fields and baseball fields are being booked. So contact Tracy Cole, our administrative assistant. She's doing a fantastic job. And let me tell you, balancing all the calls that we come in, and we're doing our best to try to accommodate everybody. But it's not easy, folks. But everybody wants to get out. I'm happy for that. Use our facilities. But please give Tracy a little bit of time, and we appreciate all the courtesy that you extend us as we extend to you. Our Arrowhead Golf and Event Center, the golf and swimming memberships, they're booking fast. Their clubhouse grill is open for business, I believe 7 days a week. So, and of course, they're open for their banquet facilities, and you can contact them at Arrowhead Golf and Event Center. Good news for our North Canton Public Library. They're going to start some of their little mini concerts right out here in between City Hall and the library, and we're all backing them 100% on all their outdoor activities. So I'm glad to see the library is not only inside, but they're coming outside with their programs. The 720 markets happened on May the 15th. Our next one's on June the 22nd, right here, same place, same time, St. Paul's in the square, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Wonderful success. We had thousands of people there for that event. Oh, let's see. I mentioned graduation. Our farmers market is open. That was yesterday, but it's open on Wednesdays from 3 to 6, and that's an outdoor one up by the Kmart. Oh, let's see. Get ready for the 4th of July, or I should say July 3rd, North Canton YMCA 5 and 2 mile runs. Go ahead and sign up online or stop in the Y. And folks, we're hoping to get about 1,500 to 2,000 people to come out for that run and the fun time that we have on that. In the past, we've had 3,000 to actually 4,000 almost. But I'm supporting Ben Wheeler on this and the Y. I bet you we can get to 2,000 people to come out and run and have a good time. And then you know what? Following that is going to be the JC parade. So our 4th of July parade is going to be on July 3rd. It's going to follow the July 3rd runs like we traditionally do. So that's good news. I'm very thankful that we got our orders rescinded and we can have a traditional parade for the 4th of July. And I really want everybody to come out for that. It should be a wonderful, wonderful time for us. Let's see. Okay, mark your calendars, August the 14th. Our Main Street Festival will be right here, sponsored by the North Canton Chamber of Commerce. Go through them if you want a booth or a spot on Main Street there. We're also going to have the 720 market. So, you know, we have 90 vendors on May the 15th, and I'm sure we're probably going to have as many again for the 720 market and the our Main Street Festival on August the 14th. So come on out for that. We are also conducting a survey through the clerk office of the City Council. You can go online at our website. We're asking our visitors and citizens and residents to complete a 2021 North Canton Community Survey. It takes about 5 minutes, and you can do it right online, or you can download it and mail it in if you want to do a hard copy. But we'd like to hear from you, see how we're doing, what we can do better, and what we can correct, or what you're happy that we're doing. So that goes from now to August the 14th. And in regards to the Memorial Day parade, you know, folks, again, I've answered a number of questions on this. The planning for that was started way back in April, and we were under the guidelines, again, of the governor, the CDC, Centers for Disease and Prevention, and Control and Prevention, also the Department of Health. We are trying to maintain, hopefully we could have that parade, but I had to make some hard decisions early on, and so we decided to have a reverse parade. Then the governor came out with rescinding of the orders, so that still affected our decision making. So, and we didn't have quite the interest or support that we wanted for a little reverse parade, kind of like what we did for Christmas last December. So, but never did I ever take this off the plate, was not having a remembrance ceremony at Bitzer Park. That was always on my radar that we had planned to do. So if you'd like to come out and join us for a memorial service at Bitzer Park on Monday, May 31st at 11 o'clock, we'll be right there at Bitzer. I think it'll be one of intimacy, but yet one of some of meaningful and experience for us. So we have a number of people assisting us with that. So we are not forgetting Memorial Day Parade. We are not our Memorial Day. We are here to honor those who have died in the line of service. Thank you. Also, for Memorial Day, no trash or recycling service for this day. It's going to be delayed by 1 day, just so you know. It's great to see all of our flags out in our community. Hopefully we'll have it all pretty well flagged out throughout all of our neighborhoods and our streets. So I encourage all of us to, to celebrate in a safe way with family and friends. Think about our veterans that are amongst us. Think about them on this day, and also our loved ones who have died in service to our country. I want to make a special welcome to a new employee for us here in City Administration. I want to welcome Jennifer Cross. She joins us she's looking to be a great candidate for us, and we needed some extra help here for Tracy to handle all the things that are happening here in City Hall, because things are quite busy at times. So welcome, Jennifer Cross. Glad to have you here. In regards to some of our streets, you've probably noticed Pittsburgh is done. Pittsburgh Avenue Northwest, the final striping, the double yellows line, the curbs and gutters are in, and Milton and Carousel Circle and Milton Street all have been repaved, so that project's been completed. Yeah. Also, if you're over off of by Fairview Street Southeast and between Claremont and Woodside, they're getting some new gutters and curbs over there. So just be careful in that work area. As I mentioned, City Hall's reopening strictly for our park permits and building inspections. Like if you have an issue with a hot water tank or air conditioner or furnace, those weren't inspected, it'd be good to give us a call so we can get our inspectors out there, make sure they're installed safely for you. And so we like to make sure we touch base with you on that. Just so you know, on Friday, May the 21st, tomorrow at approximately 10 a.m., the North Canton Fire Department, it's going to be down off of Heiser's Way, Southwest. They're going to be conducting hydrant flow testing. And anybody maybe in that southwest section of the city, if you notice that should be completed by 11 a.m. But if you do notice some discoloration in your water that lasts for several hours, please call the drinking water plant at 330-499-8223, option 9. And I mentioned it before about the swimming pool. Hey, you can call the Y at 330-499-2587. And you can get your passes there. And we do have a daily rate. Monday through Friday, if you're not going to get a pass, it's $10. Saturday and Sundays are $14. After 5 p.m. on those 2 days, it's $7. Or actually, after 5 p.m. for all days, it's $7. And then children under age of 6 years of age, they're free. So contact the Y, 330-499-2587 for your passes. And I think really that's all I have for you. Our mask wearing is, we're still following the guidelines up and through June the 2nd. Anybody coming into City Hall or a visitor, wearing a mask wearing is optional. I just hope you'll use common sense when you're out and about in your travels with the public. I know some of us have family members that have health conditions, so if you need to wear your mask, and care for yourself and respect those who do wear a mask. So I think I'm very hopeful that we have everything opened up, and we'll have a great summer, and we'll be able to be out and active, and things are going. That's all I can tell you for right now. A lot of things are happening, and just be safe this weekend. Anybody that wants to come out for the Memorial Day service, again, 11 o'clock, I think you'll enjoy what we have to say, but also understand the significance of that day. So thank you very much. I have great faith in our community that we'll care for one another. Stay safe, keep well. Sincere regards, Steve Wilder. Thank you.